Okay, coffee sign is up, and even though it might look like it's not level, it is totally level. So, found out the cabinet is not level. It's not square. So, since that was here when we got here, that's life. So here's our little coffee nook. There's more in cabinets, but Death Wish coffee, order of the day. And we're going to hang some mugs. You guys ready? It looks pretty good. We still have the marks, just so you know. There's a, whoa, don't know if you can see it, little black marks. I've had 3 suggestions on how to approach that so I don't have to sand. And I will be trying all of them one at a time. If one works, I don't have to move to the next one. Okay, so let's get to the mugs. What have we here? So many mugs. So many. So these are primarily Death Wish coffee mugs. And Sovereign 7 and 3PO with his 3PO arm handle. Okay, so we're going to choose some small ones and hang them, and we'll see if it falls. It'll be great. And then after we see if it falls, then I'll tell you how I secured it. Because I don't know if it was wise, and could be action. Okay, we're going to hang them. Let's go. I'm going to start with the Ginger Dead. I got it, the first Ginger Dead mug, but this is the Ginger Dead guy. He is on fire. It's not good. Okay, so he's having a rough day, so we're going to put him over here. And, okay, so far so good. Ginger Dead. Then we're going to go with the Headless Horseman. I'm going to start him over here. Okay. Next, this is the romantic Till Death Do Us Part mug. I think it belongs up here. It's one of our favorites. Let's see. Oh, ha, good, very good. Okay, next, we'll just go with a Valhalla Java. Okay. So far, it's not falling off. This is fantastic. Okay. And for the final mug. You know what? I'm going to try it. This is the 10th anniversary mug. It'd be difficult to replace. We're going to give it a shot. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think she looks pretty good. Yeah? So what do you guys think? Success? Let me know in the comments. Any suggestions? Let me know in the comments. We still have marks. So I'm going to try to get those off. I've had 3 suggestions in the comments and in text from, people who's had suggestions. So we're going to try it. But either way, those will be coming off, but I had to get it mounted and show you guys because I'm pretty happy with our coffee area now. So now the big secret. How did I hang this? Surely it has to be anchored to the wall in such a way as to hold the weight of the sign, which is a little heavier than I planned, even with like really crappy pine lightwood. And all these mugs, and be assured that it was not going to go anywhere. So, the answer is command strips. Command strips that are Velcro, but it's like a hardcore Velcro. So, I used all of them. All of the command strips. All of them. That you can't find them in stores anymore. So, it's sturdy. It is really sturdy. I let it... You follow the instructions, you push it up there. I held it up there for a little while myself. I let it sit there for an hour before I tried to do any of this. And it's solid. It's going to be just fine. So thanks guys for joining me in this wonderful project. I have more to come. It's happening. Thanks.